Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can set custom username for your YouTube channel. First, open YouTube and make sure you are logged into the account in which you want to set the username. Click on this top right icon here and click on view your channel. Now click on customize channel here. Once you see this page, and here you will see handle. Now this is the handle that you can change. Here you can write whatever you want. You can write my custom handle and you can just save it. Just click on publish and it will be changed. So as you can see, this is available right now. So if you add another handle here that is not available, let's say top list, if it is not available, it will show that this handle is not available. So make sure whatever you write here is available, like some random name here, and then it will be available. Once you have typed your handle name here, just click on publish and then you will be able to go to your channel by entering your channel handle. So for example, if I write quick fix digital, because that is my handle, I will be taken to my YouTube page. So this is how you can set the handle for your channel in YouTube. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video.